Hello everyone, today we are guiding you through how to access and enter your BIOS on Windows. It's very useful for tweaking your system. If you find this handy, consider liking and subscribing. Let's get started. Click the Windows Start button at the bottom, lift your screen, then hover over the power icon on the right. While holding it, click Restart. Your PC will reboot into safe mode, setting us up to reach the BIOS. Once it restarts, you will see a blue screen. Click Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Look for UEFI Firmware Settings. It's usually right there. Click it, then hit Restart again. Your computer will boot straight into the BIOS. Now you're in, use your mouse and keyboard to navigate around. Pretty straightforward. If this method doesn't work for you, try this alternative. When your PC starts up, watch for text at the bottom of the screen. It might say press Delete, followed as one or another key to enter the BIOS. Try those as it loads. That's it, folks. 2 easy ways to get into your BIOS. If this guide helped you out, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tutorials. Catch you next time.